Another molding minute from Ash Industries.
It needs to be crystal clear. The fact of the matter is that there are different measures of clarity, and how beautiful a surface is costs money. There are some things we make that must be as clear as possible, such as specific lenses for very particular applications for the military or for pharmaceuticals. Hey, I'd like it to look really good because it's going to be a canopy on a Lego part. Well, that's a different type of clarity. It pays to take the time to find out exactly what you need so you don't spend money you don't need to spend. You see, clarity can be based on any number of things. It can be based on the material. It can be based on something as seemingly inconsequential as the way the part is gated or the way the part is ejected. So, let me be clear. There are many different ways to get you the clarity you need. And at Ash Industries, we're going to work on your behalf.